Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the displays between the Mi11 versus Realme X1 Pro versus the OnePlus 8T device. So all these three smartphones I am using for the past few months, and let's see friends which display will be the best and which will be having the very good colors as well. So make sure to comment below which display you like and what are the things you did see the difference between all these three smartphones as well. So the first thing is that the Mi11 has got a slightly advantage which has the 2K resolution of the screen size. So 2K resolution screen and 120Hz display refresh rate. So all these three smartphones are having the 120Hz display, but only the Mi11 which has the 2K resolution, that makes things slightly better on this Mi11 device. So watching the videos and movies will be very good on this Mi11 smartphone. So on the other hand, the Realme X1 Pro, which has got the Super AMOLED panels, and all these three smartphones that are having the AMOLED panel displays, and all these three they do support the HDR10. So let's see friends, in the display you do get the 120Hz refresh rate in this phone. As you can see here, I did enable the vivid colors during this time of testing. As you can see, vivid colors has been enabled here, and even let me try to show you what are the settings you do get in the OnePlus 8T. So OnePlus 8T also has the 120Hz, so let me try to enable 120Hz, and the screen calibration I'll try to set to the vivid mode. So all the settings were same in all the three smartphones. Before doing the test, I thought of doing that kind of showing you all. And here in this Mi11 you do have so much of customization with all the options where you can change the colors and tweak all the settings, so which will be the very good advantage for a lot of users in terms of playing around the settings, all the things in this Mi11 device. So now let me try to open the same video playing in all the three smartphones at same time. So let's see which phone will be better. So right now you can see friends, I'm trying to play all the three videos in all the three phones at same time, as you can see here. So everything with the full brightness, with 100% brightness, so to the maximum limit, and all the three smartphones they're having the same side of punch hole cameras, as you can see at the left side of the phone, all the three phones. So if you're looking from the top angle, you will definitely feel the difference in this Mi11, which has got pretty good high saturation mode. So you do have a lot of customizable options friends, so here you can choose from. You do have the HDR mode and the vibrant mode, so a lot of other black and white modes. So many different things you're having in this Mi11 smartphone. And if you compare with the Realme X1 Pro, Realme X1 Pro is also looks good, but not as good as this Mi11 device. And here is the OnePlus 8T. If you compare between all the three smartphones, definitely friends, you will feel the Mi11 is kind of slightly advantage in terms of the colors. So in this mode, you can clearly see the difference of all the three smartphones in this area. And because of the curved edges on the Mi11, so which looks fantastic while watching the videos on this Mi11 smartphone because of this curved edges. So Realme X1 Pro and the OnePlus 8T, they both are kind of same to each other, so there is nothing much difference between both the phones so far I can observe. So for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends Sai Tech Guru, and that's it for this video. This is just small comparison between all the three smartphones regarding the display, so which will be the best. So overall, I did like the Mi11's display, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.